Plant body system. Focus point. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Identify the two basic systems of a typical plant body and their parts. 2. Describe the function of the root and shoot systems of a typical plant. And 3. Discuss how the shoot systems in plants work together for the growth of the plant. What are plants? Plants are living organisms that are able to produce their own food through photosynthesis. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. They have special parts that help them survive and thrive. What are the parts of the plants? Shoot system, flower, leaf, fruit, stem, root system. Root. Functions and structures of the root and shoot system of a typical plant. Just like animal cells, plant cells work together to form tissues. When these tissues work together, they form an organ. When organs work together, they form an organ system. Generally, plants in comparison with humans and animals have two organ systems: the root system and the shoot system. These two systems work together to deliver water and nutrients for the plant growth and development. Shoot and root systems. The root system refers to that part of the plant that grows below the ground. The shoot system is the aerial part of the plant. It is composed of stems, leaves, nodes, flowers, and fruits. It absorbs the light needed for photosynthesis. Parts and functions of the plant shoot system. Leaves, main site of photosynthesis. Leaves are flat and thin structures attached to the stem of a plant. They produce food for the plant through the process of photosynthesis. They also help regulate the exchange of gases with the surroundings. Stems, main site of plant growth, support system. Stems are found above the ground. They provide support to the plant by holding up leaves, flowers, buds, and fruits. They also transport water, nutrients, and minerals to different parts of the plant. Flowers protect and produce reproductive organs of the plant, perform reproduction. Flowers are characterized by their colorful petals and sweet fragrance. They attract pollinators like insects and birds that help in the transfer of pollen from one flower to another. This transfer of pollen leads to seed production. Fruits protect and disperse seeds. Fruits are the parts of the plant that contain seeds. They protect and dispense seeds. They also provide food for animals. They are typically sweet or tart in taste and can be eaten raw or cooked. Nodes form buds which can grow into branches, leaves, or flowers. Root system. The roots can serve and hold an important underground part of most plants. The root system helps transport nutrients and water and also helps anchor the plants. The root system is composed of two types: taproot system and fibrous root system. Roots are often found below the surface of the soil. They absorb water and nutrients from the ground. They also anchor the plant in place. Some roots store food and nutrients for the plant's growth. Taproot system. The taproot system, dicotyledon, is best described as a single main root that grows downwards. Some examples of taproot systems are carrot, radish, turnip, and dandelion. Fibrous root system. The fibrous root system, monocotyledon, forms a dense network of roots closer to the surface of the soil. Examples of fibrous root systems are grasses, such as rice, corn, and wheat. Functions of the plant root system, functions and descriptions. Anchorage, anchors the plants in the soil. Absorption, absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Transport, conducts water and nutrients to the stem and leaves. Storage, stores food and water for the plant. Different between a root system and a shoot system. Root system plant parts grow into the ground. Shoot system plant parts grow upward. Root system occurs beneath the ground. Shoot system occurs above the ground. Root system has roots, rhizome and tubers. Shoot system has leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Root system does not undergo photosynthesis. Shoot system undergoes the process of photosynthesis. How the shoot and the root system work together for the growth of plant. 1. Shoot system takes in carbon dioxide from the air, produces food through photosynthesis. 2. Root system extracts mineral nutrients from the soil, absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Please subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell for more videos.